morning, mountain chums.
Good morning, here we are. We're on our way up the Fairfield Horseshoe. Well, Nab Scar to begin with.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
It's a very steep start, as you can probably see behind us. Started at Rydal Mount, which is a lovely big house and campsite. We camped there overnight, woken up to a very beautiful, bright start. So fingers crossed it should be a good day. And this is pretty much the starting point. And you'll see this gate ahead of us. Quite nice. So, up ahead is the first mountain of the day, which is called Nab Scar.
It's the first of 8 Wainwrights today.
It's a very steep start to the walk, but it's worth it because you gain a lot of height pretty quickly.
Ooh, fancy new style.
Bit of a rocky bit. So, final bit of Nab Scar now. Nearly there. Actually not as bad as I remember the last time, but I think it was a lot windy and a lot colder last time. Still very windy. Come on, Jess, come on, come on, come on, come on, good girl. Got it. It's actually a lot bigger than you'd think.
Oh yeah.
So next stop, Heron Pike, which is that big lump dead ahead. That's at about 2,008 feet. Another 500-foot slug up, but it's a nice path.
One Wainwright down already.
Win-win, mate.
Yes, it's quite hard to say when you get to Crags.
We're nearly at the next Wainwright, Heron Pike, which is over there. Just see the little knobbly bit. That's about, let's say, just over 2,000 feet. We're just going to carry on straight up to the next highest point, which is called Great Rigg, which is just over 2,500 feet. So a bit more of ascent, and then on to Fairfield, assuming we don't get blown away.
Turned into a slightly windy day.
follow to Great Rigg, which is the next Wainwright. 2,500 feet. Quite easy. About another 500 foot's worth of ascent. And then on to the halfway point, which is Fairfield itself. This is the summit of Great Rigg, the third Wainwright of today's walk up the Fairfield Horseshoe. So this is about 2,500 and a little bit feet. Well, that path's about as clear as you need.
Shiny dog.
It is a shiny dog. It looks good in the sunlight. Kind of itself.
It's a brisk -2.
Cold and windy, but anyway, we're on the top of Fairfield, which was great. We did it in pretty good time.
Yes.
Still a beautiful day, so we can see for miles around, which is fab. So that's Fairfield, that's the summit.
And behind us is Helvellyn.
The whole Helvellyn range, which is very pretty.
Which is definitely for another day.
So now what we're going to do, we kind of go back on ourselves now and do the second half of the horseshoe, which is Hart Crag, which is just under 2,700 feet.
So that's 4 Wainwrights done.
Yeah.
Another 4 to do.
Let's get on with it. I'm cold.
Yeah. fifth Wainwright of the day.
Hart Crag, 2,698 feet.
Still a little bit windy.
Dropped a little bit though.
There we go, Wainwright 6.
This is lovely Dove Crag, which means we're on the way down now, which is great. 2598. So 2 more to go. Next one is High Pike,
Followed by
the imaginatively named Low Pike.
so that's High Pike, that's number 7.
It is number 7. This is about 2,150 feet, so we're still quite high. But we're heading in the right direction, which is down. So
Fortunately the wind stopped almost entirely.
yeah, as you can tell. So heading now down to Low Pike, which is about another 400 feet more of descent, and then back down into Rhinal.
So this is our 8th and final Wainwright of the day, Low Pike.
1,667 feet, I think.
Unexpectedly exciting.
It's not that bad, but it's still a bad step. If you get to it and you don't fancy it, you just retrace your steps back a bit further from where you come from and bear round left, and it should bring you out a bit lower down. Just bear it in mind. So there we are.
So that's the Fairfield Horseshoe.
Yeah, great fun. Really nice day.
Very cold.
Very, very cold on the top.
Very windy.
Very windy. I suppose one thing to remember is on the way back is actually a lot longer than you would imagine.
as is often the case in the lakes.
Yeah, even though most of it's sort of quite pleasant and downhill, it is still a fair old trek back. Don't underestimate how long it is and how long it'll take you to get back, particularly during a short day when it gets dark early.
So thank you all for watching, if indeed you still are. Join us some other time for another Wainwright walk. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Ta-ta!
See ya! There's Helvellyn, striding edge.